In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cell display the same value as another in Excel. This is a very simple and useful Excel technique that helps you link one cell to another. Instead of typing the same information twice, you can make one cell automatically show whatever is in a different cell. That means if the original value changes later, the linked cell updates too, which is a great way to keep your worksheet accurate and organized. To begin, click the cell where you want the value to appear. In this example, that destination cell is B2. This is the cell that will display the content from another location, so make sure you select the correct one before typing anything. If you're following along in your own spreadsheet, just remember that the cell you click first is where the result will show up. Once B2 is selected, type the formula equals A2. In Excel, every formula starts with an equal sign, and that tells Excel you want it to calculate or reference something instead of treating what you type as plain text. By entering equals A2, you're telling Excel to display the value from cell A2 inside cell B2. As you type, it's important to enter the reference exactly as needed. In this case, A2 points to column A, row 2. So whatever is currently stored in A2 is what Excel will pull into B2. This can be text, a number, a date, or even the result of another formula. After typing the formula, press Enter. This confirms the formula and applies it to the selected cell. As soon as you do that, Excel will process the reference and show the matching value. Now the value from A2 will appear in B2. At first glance, it may look like the same value was manually typed into both cells, but what's really happening is that B2 is linked to A2. That's the key difference. If you later edit the contents of A2, B2 will automatically update to match, so you don't need to retype anything. This is a helpful method when you're building reports, organizing repeated information, or creating cleaner spreadsheet layouts without duplicating data by hand. It also reduces the chance of errors since you're relying on a direct cell reference instead of entering the same value multiple times. And that's all there is to it. Click the cell where you want the value to appear. Type equals A2, press Enter, and Excel will display the value from A2 in that new cell.